Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello guys, meet with me again in News ENC channel. Okay, I think this video is the last for I explain about basic code using Visual Basic Programming Language. After in the last video, in this video, I will explain more advanced programming using a database. So in the last video in here, I want to explain to you how we are or we can using kind of MessageBox. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to do or what we can do with MessageBox in Visual Basic. Now I will create a project and make the name is kind of MessageBox. This is the last for basic comment I think guys, but if later any basic comment I want to show you will also I guess I show in other video. Okay, now I'm click OK. The message box is many function. Beside can information to user, we can also make for interaction to user application. Okay, now for simple I will create 4 button guys, and the first button I direct to code, so I click or double click in here, and this is for coding. This is first message box I will show you the kind of message box. Example message as integer, then equal message box dot show. I think this is what the message you to show to user. Okay, this is a message box, and then for the title bar in message box I will create string for notification like this, and then I want to message box using 3 button, in this case yes, no, and cancel. Okay, and I want to style is information. This is guys, so I will bring this is to more smaller guys, so you can see here message box icon is information and button is yes, no, cancel. And we can using if or conditional statement. If x message is equal to dialog result dot yes, this is equal to button guys, so 3 conditional statement. If user click yes, or also if user click no dot no in here. Also if user click cancel, will result different suitable or match with your body of code. Okay, like this, guys. So this is your statement in here. This is your statement in 3 body of code. Then if user click yes, I want to show the message box that show, for example, just like this. Uh, user user select yes. This is just for example, guys. I will copy this for this is for just for example. No, and the last cancel. I'm sorry, my script I think is false. This is no dialog but cancel. Cancel. Okay, you can see here. This is 3 result. If user click yes, then message box that show user select yes, and else select no and select cancel. Okay, then I direct to start and try this works or not. And in the first message box I show you have 3 button and the style is information. Okay, button, you can see this is information style, any icon I in here, and have 3 button this message box, yes, no, and cancel. If I click yes, then it will give me result user select yes. And then if I click again and select no, then the result is user select no. If I click button again and I cancel, and then user select cancel. Okay, I think you know what I mean. If you can using comment in here rather than just a message box like this is just for example. So I show you the very simple. Okay, in the number 2 I will also show you the message box in this is kind is uh, I double click in button 2. This is kind is very simple. We can call simple message box just like this message box. uh, nothing show but direct message box. You can see the keyword is this is message box, but this is msg box, and then this is the message, and I'm sorry guys, the message box style, or I want to exclamation. This is like warning, guys. So in the title bar I will just add notif like this. Then I will click this, and it will give me a simple message box. Button 2, you can see here, this is the kind of number 2 is message box. In the number 2 I will still using simple message box, but with some styling the body or the message. I add the button in button 3 in here. So I double click in button 3, and I will also create message box. This is example of warning. This is just for example, and this is different a bit before, guys. I need some line and VBCRLF. This is the different with just now we try, and by administrator, for example, and then I will create messageblock.style to critical. So this is just like critics the user, guys. And then for title bar I will create uh, careful, just for example. Okay, this is the different with before we make, guys. VBCRLF is give our input is empty line or enter. You can see button 2 before this is the message, but in the button 3 we can styling in message box like this. This is example of warning by admin. This is just for example, and I think is in the last, the message box in the number 4 is message box for showing the error. This is very useful if using information or using complex code and you want to handle the error and show error to user, then user can identification what actually happened in your program on in user program. So I double clicking button 4. I want to make my program error, then handle and showing by the message. Okay, so the must we have to error the program. The very easy method is I will using dim or declaration dim e as integer, and I will uh, add the value in here, and I will add value 0, and the button 4 I won't make the program to error, guys. So the message can information what actually the error or what make the program error. Okay, button for the text I will sum the e as integer with string, because integer cannot sum with string, the program will error, guys. I will create ha 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 like this, for example, and then this is the message, the message kind for message box. No, message box x dot message. This is for information the user what actually make the program error, and anything error will show in the message x dot message here. Okay, because integer or boolean, because the integer or double in here cannot sum with string, the program will error. But because I using try statement and put the message box x dot message here, so the program will show the message what make the program error. You can see here, guys, kind of message is my application. You can see this is message box show what is error, conversion from string ha 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 to type double is not valid. Okay, it's very easy, and if you don't want the title is your program, you can modification just like before we create the message box. information. Okay, for example, like this. I'm sorry, this is will cause error, I think, guys. I need to styling, yes. For example, just like this. Physics bug or program error like this. Program error, and then I will end the X message, and then this Xbox style dot information. Okay. This is just for example. I will show you it works or not. You can see here, and then I will get some space in here. Then will more clear or more catchy with we can see. Okay. The last message box is like this for handling error. You can see information, program error, conversion from string haha to type double is not valid. Okay, guys, and then you can see here. Okay, I think this is the last for our learning about basics of comment in Visual Basic. And in the next video soon, I will explaining about how to connect database or make application using database. Okay, that's all for now in my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.